I'm sitting in a 2013 Nissan Sentra. We have no keys. We are going to program one non-remote key. I have the key turned on in the ignition, and you can see that the security light is on next to the engine light, so we know it's not programmed. So, let's get started. Go to Nissan, Sentra, key coding, 2013, immobilizer 2, program key, no key slot. You can turn the hazard lights on, or you can turn the key on. We're going to just leave the key on. Okay, we're going to use a new pin. Press enter. Doors are closed. All keys will be deleted. 4 keys can be programmed. Insert the first key and switch ignition on. Keys are already on. Okay, right after that point, we saw a little status bar go across. That meant it's programmed. So from this point, we can turn the key off. And then we go to the cluster, turn on. Now watch the security light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Key is programmed. No more keys. Escape. Turn the key off. And we turn it back on to verify that the light goes out. And it does. Keys programmed. And we are done.